Trust me, I know what I'm doing.
License and registration.
Officer, I know that,
License and registration, please. Mother of God.
High-speed pursuit of a white Miata heading southbound on Route 294. Request backup.
Unit 91, come in 91. Unit 91, come in 91. What are you doing out there, 91? We're telling you.
One way it is.
Yeah.
Way!
Hey, dude.
Nah, stay here.
Fucking hell, mate. What the bloody... What the heck? Yeah.
You want to bet for a can of Coke that this guy's going to suddenly change lanes towards the end and you'll do a right turn. Don't bet, because he'll do that. I could be wrong.
Oh, don't worry about the red light.
Usually they're sitting in a deck chair having a sleep.
Oh, you for real? Fucking idiot. And then you wonder why, you know, you get run up the arse by a heavy vehicle.
A bit of... even a bit of...
Wow, that's a big move.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only.
Well, Dean Kuntz is predicting the future.
Oh, where is Kuntz on this? Where is Kuntz now? Is there any chance of getting Kuntz?
Well, obviously people are concerned. We're going through his plotline saying this bloke is unbelievable, even though it's a novel. But he's
saying he's a visionary.
He's a visionary. He's an absolute visionary. So we thought we'd go through and do some work on his other novel and look at some of the predictions that were made. Or some of the plotlines.
Wait, download, wait, probably download some kind of player, and then it was not an experience.
Yeah. Definitely
What's your motorbike?
You're a first-class cunt.
Oh, good on you. Bloody idiots. Oh, good on you, buddy. Bloody hell. Another bloody idiot that can't make up mind what lane to be in. Come on. Oh, thanks for your fucking indicator. Good one, mate. What sort of a move was that? From the far bloody far left lane right across. Oh, we'll turn right there, no indicator or nothing either. Shit. What are you sitting there the fucking green light for, you dickhead? What a dick doing, mate? Whoa. What the fuck are you doing?
600 meters, keep left using the oncoming left lane.
And you didn't even want to fucking turn, so you didn't really need to do that. What a dickhead. New South Wales plate BZV72 X-ray. You're a dickhead. Look at him. There he goes. Now he's breaking the fucking law just to turn the corner. Not happy. Not happy at all. Oh, what the fuck? Oh shit. Don't you fucking try and do the wrong fucking lane. If you do, come on. Come on. Come on. Get around there. Fucking dickhead. Come on. Fuck you, prick. Oh, look at this clown. What a dickhead. Look at this. CBB01. What an absolute toss spot. He could not wait. Oh! Oh! Shit! Oh!
You're pissing around with something that's not working.
Yes, sir.
Have that fucking clicked.
Yes, sir.
Fuckhead. Fuck me, that was close. It's a convenient excuse for everything. Whoa! Shit. Did you see that?
Yeah, I saw that. That was wild.
What the fuck is that? You gotta be shitting me!
you doing? Are you fucking stupid?
You've been there for 3 bloody weeks, mate. Oh, well, there we go. You're starting to get a bit of a reputation, you know. For what? Being silly?
You're kidding me, aren't you? Fair dinkum.
It's taken me 16 minutes to get
What
on
is
the
that
other night,
about?
and only takes me 3.
Yeah.
But you work.
Someone with real options. All work is done on-site for a fast and capable result. Affordable payment plans are available and they'll match any price quote. Book your first appointment free today. Call 3282 9018 or...
You fucking dickhead. Boy, Racer wants to fucking cause a problem now, doesn't he?
Using the right lane, continue straight through the roundabout onto Whitewater Way.
What a dickhead. Now he's all over my ass. Righto, mate. Done with games with you. Don't know what your problem is, mate.